we just claim that this is gonna be vlog style? Okay, cool. Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you all a few items that I'm going to be selling in my Poshmark closet. I'll also be giving you all sort of an unofficial mini little tour of my closet, and then explaining to you all how to earn extra money cleaning out your closet using Poshmark. I will have the link in my description box down below, the way you all can download Poshmark, check it out. Why is my shirt doing that? And also special thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. For some reason right in this area it keeps tripping on me, but I'm not changing my shirt, so spare me the comments. If you all keep up with my vlogs, then you all know that I recently moved out of my parents' house. I've been trying to get everything nice and organized, including my closet. I just got in from church, changed out of my Sunday clothes, and now I'm dressed to clean and organize. Quick look at my closet. For the most part, it's organized. I just want to declutter some. Going through things that I don't really wear anymore would definitely help me to do that. So as far as selling things on Poshmark, what you want to look for, number one, things that you do not wear. So you may have it in your closet, but when it's time to get dressed, you reach over these items. So instead of reaching over them today, take them out of the closet, put them to the side, and we're gonna put them on Poshmark. This is a quick look also at how I organize and store my other purses when they're not in use. My high school dog that I never got signed. Maybe I'll get it signed at our 10-year reunion. Kim. Hoping these fit when the summer rolls back around. Scarves over here. Thinking about getting rid of those rain boots because I've had them over a year and I have not worn them yet. And I also have my boots organized right in the front portion of my closet since it's currently winter. Another thing you want to look for to sell on Poshmark is things that they still have the tags on them. So if you haven't taken the tags off yet, you're probably not going to wear them. You also want to look for things that no longer fit. Either you've gained weight, lost weight, for whatever reason they just don't fit anymore. And just continue to work towards organizing your closet. I purchased more of these pink hangers that come 30 in a pack. I'm going to keep purchasing these until I finish organizing my entire closet with them. Another tip for my drawers, I like to have my t-shirt drawers organized this way versus stacking them. That way when I get ready to reach for a shirt, I don't have to ruin my entire drawer and I can just slide it straight out. My jeans and other pants are also organized the same way. I don't know why I don't hang these. Comment down below and let me know if you hang your jeans or if you put them in the drawer. On the other end. Hey, Mr. Lincoln. You want to come in? I'm recording. Say hey. Hi. Say hey. Hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm Lincoln. Say shop my auntie's Poshmark closet.
Tell them to shop your Poshmark. How about we do that?
Lincoln, you got a Poshmark too? My nephew has his own Poshmark closet, guys. I put his in my comment section down below. Bye. Bye. Okay, this may not work out. We might have to change. Okay guys, so now that you've cleaned out your closet, you've organized your drawers, and you basically picked out the things that you want to sell in your closet on Poshmark, all you need to do is grab your phone, make sure you download the app. Create an account is free. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you all how to sell on Poshmark. I'll show you all how to do it if you already have pictures that you've taken in the outfit, and then I'll also show you all, say for instance, if it doesn't fit anymore, so you don't really want to post a picture in it because the picture just kind of wouldn't be flattering. If it's not flattering, people probably won't want to purchase it, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm basically just taking a picture of the shorts, and then I'm going to title them travel print shorts. I'm going to describe it, the color. You can select more than one option. I'm going to select pink and black. I want to sell them for $5. After Poshmark's cut, I'll get $2.05. Another option for taking your photos, instead of putting them on the floor, you can just put them on the hanger and hang them over a door. Or if you can find your items on the internet, you can get screenshots that way. So opening up the Poshmark app, this is what you will see. You can actually browse lots of brands on there as well. They have Nike, Sephora, and Pink are a few that I'm following. So to go ahead and sell your own items, you just want to click where it says sell at the bottom middle of the screen. Click on your gallery and locate the place where you've taken your photo or taken a screenshot from your Instagram. You can upload more than one photo. That definitely helps you to sell your items. Now I'm just going to go ahead and upload a few. That way you have options to look at. After that, I'm going to describe the dress. This is a pink midi dress. Do your best to subscribe. Describe. Bodycon pink dress. All of that. I don't think it's called a sweetheart neckline, but I guess you can look at the picture and the description together. Next up, subcategories. I'm going to select one for the quantity. I'm selecting the size as well. You can search for the brand and add that in also. Poshmark is very kind of specific. So yeah, the color is not new with tags. So we're going to select no. You're going to put in your original price, the price that you want to list it for, and then it'll also show you your earnings you will get after Poshmark receives their cut. So you can play around with the numbers until you see one that you like. You can also send it to your other social media apps. I chose to opt out of doing that at this moment, and this is now our first thing posted. I think I went back in to add more about how many times the dress was worn, different things like that. The more descriptive, the better, because people will kind of leave you comments and things like that, and it just makes it easier to have everything already described. That way you don't have to go back and forth, and then the person ends up not buying it anyway. Kind of like a waste of time. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process basically for all of the items that I want to post, and then I'll show you all what my closet looks like. I'm trying to get all of my hangers to be nice and cute and pink, even though you kind of can't see it, but I don't know that they're pink. The more that I go through my closet, organize things, get it nice and color coordinated from red to black, I'll be posting more things to my Poshmark. Anyways, y'all just want to see the stuff, right? So yeah. Okay, so I finally posted a few items to my closet. Well, some, not all. Yeah, this is just what my closet looks like. If you all want to check that out, my Poshmark closet name is All of Destiny. Even if you don't want to check out my closet, I would definitely suggest downloading the app and cleaning out your closet for yourself. That way you all can earn some extra money. So the first item that I have right here is this mini skirt. It is a size 2. It's from Old Navy. It doesn't have any stains or anything like that. Pockets in the front, pockets in the back, and you can actually put a belt through here. I don't know why I got this. I don't think I ever wore a size 2. This is just from Papaya. It used to be a store at the ᶑᵒᵛᵏ Mall in Memphis, either ᶑᵒᵛᵏ or Oakwood. I don't remember, but it does have the little cutout portion right here. I won't try on anything that I can't fit. If I'm trying to sell it, I don't want to stretch it out, risk popping anything. I like this dress when it actually did fit me. It was super cute. If y'all remember my ᶑᵒᵛᵏ video, I love that video. I need to get ᶑᵒᵛᵏ again. This was the dress that I wore. I actually wore this to a graduation once too, but I've gained some weight, so I really just don't fit this dress anymore. Good thing about Poshmark, and when you do a description about your items, you can tell whether it's new with the tags. Some people also do new without tags as well, so you're able to give descriptions. That way when you purchase something, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. If it even has just like one little stain on it, you can kind of note that. This red dress, I wore this in a Get Ready With Me also when I went out to dinner and a movie. It does have padding in it, so you don't have to wear a bra with this. I didn't when I used to wear this dress. That's probably too much information for YouTube. I don't know. It's kind of ruffled up. I have to fix that before I sell it. Basically an entire cutout in the back. It's not like completely straight. It's kind of asymmetrical, if you will. Don't know the proper name for that. You could actually put like a cardigan or something over this. Sexy red dress will be on my Poshmark. These are leggings. If y'all watch my vlog when I was talking about these, I don't care for leggings that much. Like, it depends. If I got a big t-shirt on with it, because they fit the skin so snug and so tight, I feel as if I'm not wearing anything. In my mind, I just feel self-conscious about feeling, I'll say, unclothed. Well, I think I can say naked on YouTube. I don't know. Will I get flagged for that? But either way, yeah, I did buy these when I was working at Payless. Small dash medium. My nephew just peeked in and closed the door like he knew what I was doing or something. Like, oh, sorry, auntie. This white tube top. I was probably going to wear this with something. I just never got around to doing this. So what do you call this when shirts have like the additional little bra support thing on the inside? I don't know. I don't want to touch this too much because it's white. YMI jeans. The fact that these don't fit me anymore and they're a size 9, I gotta quit playing and really get in the gym. I'm not going up another size. I cannot. They're not distressed or anything. They don't have any ripping. They're gonna be on my Poshmark. And I know y'all gonna say this is like full of summer stuff, but one of the good things about Poshmark, it's not just locally where people purchase things from. It's all over the US. If it's winter and it's like cold and I gotta put on a coat in Memphis, that doesn't mean that everybody's wearing a coat. So don't let that stop you. For someone somewhere, they're still gonna wear summer type of clothing. I probably wore this all of maybe 3 times. Me and my sister Boone do have this alike. It ties here at the bottom, so you can actually untie it if you want. The buttons are just decoration. There aren't any like adjustable straps. You know, how it hangs is how it hangs. Because I'm not really a crop top type of girl, like, or just getting dressed for the day and someone ends up saying, yeah, we're gonna go out to eat, and you got on a crop top. Me personally, I want to eat good. Like, I don't want to sit here and be polite and watch what I eat because I'm on a crop top and then I have my food belly after that. someone will like this. Also, it is from ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ and it's a size medium. Oh, I keep burping. What's wrong with me? This video is all over the place. Can we just claim that this is gonna be vlog style? Okay, cool. So the next thing that I'm gonna have on my Poshmark, YouTubers never know how to explain anything. I'm gonna have this top. It has like ruffles along this side right here, has these little adjustable straps, and you can kind of like move them around like that. And what I really like is that it's off the shoulder and it's like super cute and just fluffy in that area. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I remember wearing this when me and my sisters did the sister tag here on YouTube. Oh, this is actually the top that I was wearing too. The day that I was supposed to be on my way to a birthday dinner and I borrowed my mom's car. Like the car just broke down on me on the side of the E-way, so I never made it to the dinner. But I ended up making a vlog about the car breaking down. I think I named it "The Car Broke Down and the Engine Need Fixing, Jody." So in this area, it's just really too much of a snug fit. If you're kind of like big busted up top, then big busted up top. Is that how you say it? I don't know. You probably can't mess with this, but it's a medium. Again, more summer items. We're just gonna keep it pushing. Like I said, keep following me on Poshmark. Post lots of things whenever I remember. I don't think I post as often as y'all would want me to though, because I get DMs y'all like, when you gonna post more stuff to Poshmark? Are you gonna post more stuff to Poshmark? And I'm just a procrastinator. I think we discussed that somewhere before and I admitted that. I mean, I've never not admitted it, but shorts, not sure how the camera is picking them up, but these are olive shorts, like a creamy light tan something, but not white, floral pattern. They're actually little pockets. You probably can't put a cell phone in it, but you can put your hands in it for a cute little Instagram picture, and they are kind of stretchy. It has elastic in there, size medium as well. Not showing Bone everything I was about to put on there. She was like, what size is that? Just a tan and white crop top. It kind of swoops right here. It kind of dips low in the back. The tag is fading on this one, but it's a size small. These shorts as well, they're like a peachy, not peachy, they're a super soft light type of pink. YouTubers cannot explain anything. Super soft light type of pink. What does that mean? Baby pink, Destiny, baby pink. I'm describing it as if y'all can't see it. This is what the shorts look like. Side and a zipper on this side. Both of them are just for, wait, is it for decoration? I've been wearing these shorts and never knew. You can probably put a penny in there. This is a size medium. They do not fit me anymore. Crop top as well. I have crop tops and then I say, oh, I don't like crop tops. Make up your mind, Destiny. Cute little colors in here. You can wear this with any color shorts. I used to wear this with just regular jean shorts. A size small. So those are a few items that I will have on my Poshmark. I didn't show you all everything here. I do need to go through some more things, and that'll definitely help me to help me. I'm tired, can y'all tell? You can purchase more than one thing, obviously, on anybody's closet or whatever, so I would definitely suggest bundling things up. Like, say for instance, you buy 4 things and put it in a bundle and then purchase all of it together. But you purchase them separately, your shipping is going to be $6.49 for each individual item. That's not on my end. Those are Poshmarks. So that's just within the app how it goes. If you put your items together, I think the lowest you can sell something for is $3 on Poshmark. Hey, what else do we have to say, Mr. Lincoln? You want to say bye? Mr. Lincoln been eating candy. Daddy. Again, I do have the Poshmark link in my description box down below. If you are already on Poshmark, be sure to leave your Poshmark closet name in the comment section down below. That way everyone can see your Poshmark name and check out your closet. Again, special thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. If you all do like my hair, I have a video on my channel exactly how I did this. My Instagram followers controlled how I installed and styled this hair. I have that link down below as well as in the cards. Questions or comments, leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. My nephew is back.
What you doing,
I just came here to dance for y'all. That's all.
That's what died when she was in the club. There's some dude professor walked in.
Y'all wanna say hey to my sister's Instagram live? Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey. Hey. Say hey to my Poshmark video, guys. Are y'all typing it? Girl, I need an iPhone just for when I'm live. It's like wide open the whole time. Man, I'm over this.